Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science from SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper 5th of MA final and name of the paper is Political Analysis and Research Methodology, and in this video we are going to study about nature of political science supporting research methodology. So let's start. Social sciences, especially our discipline, to some extent does not fulfill requirements needed for better analysis and research methodology, but we shouldn't forget that political incidents are dynamic, not static. Changes occur more rapidly in developing societies. Teaching, experience, and other social forces affects and make changes to human behavior. It makes changes to conclusions, observations of political scientists as well. But the fact is that this is quite natural to political analysis and research. um Frequent changes to the conclusions made by political scientists is necessary according to changing circumstances and scenario. Despite dynamic nature of political science, this nature also supports research methodology. Political incidents contains certainty, systematization, regularity, etc., along with consecutive changes. Although prediction is not possible like that of natural sciences, but at least possibility is possible for the forthcoming events. Scientific prediction is correlated with the condition of other conditions remaining the same. Such situation is also with our discipline. Objectivity is possible for political scientists if he does not insist on his own thinkings, beliefs, etc. On the whole, the values, beliefs, on thinkings of political scientists cannot be controlled like natural sciences, but state government and societies always dedicate themselves to experiments, prediction, etc. At their best, democracy, federal system are the testimony to it. In this video, we are talking about nature of political science that supports research methodology. This question arises because for some scholars, according to their views and beliefs and thinkings, that nature of political science uh, is like a barrier or like a hindrance or obstacle for the research methodology as far as this discipline is concerned. Especially this is mentioned because this is their thinking because social sciences does not fulfill requirements that needed for better analysis and research methodology, and in this context we are talking about our discipline, and for them also our discipline also does not fulfill the needed requirements for better analysis and research methodology. This depends on the nature of subject. Here we can compare natural sciences to social sciences. Research methodology and analysis which could be done which could be uh, done better, far better than social sciences. And moreover, the fact is that nature of natural sciences is quite supporting for the new techniques, new methods and methodologies, and in compared to that, nature of our subject does not support to some extent like that. But we shouldn't forget that political incidents also contain certainty and systematization and regularity, etc., along with consecutive changes. That means if frequent changes are there or changes occur frequently, it doesn't matter. Our subject or our discipline is so kind of developing nature, is of developing nature, and is so kind of a systematic, our subject, our principles and foundations of political science is so strong that definitely there can be a research methodology, a better scientific method, and along with analysis and other techniques. Therefore, for some other scholars, that the values, beliefs on thinkings of political scientists cannot be controlled like natural sciences, but state government and societies always dedicate themselves to experiments, prediction, etc. At their best, democracy, federal system are the testimony to it. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.